Welcome to EMCO. EMCO machines are used in an immense variety of industries and manufacturing operations: aerospace, energy infrastructure, automotive parts, medical technology, even watchmaking. The entire portfolio of turning lathes and milling machines is the result of 75 years of development and the unceasing desire to guarantee better technological solutions every time. EMCO has proven itself to be a reliable and expert global supplier of machines, software and courseware. And another key to EMCO's success is the instruction given to their apprentices on the on-site training facilities. Close cooperation between development and manufacturing bases in Germany, Italy and Austria creates ideal preconditions for the generation of valuable technology synergies and innovative solutions. Under the ownership of the Austrian Kuhn Holding, this all produces an impressive overall package of expertise that guarantees security and stability. EMCO, beyond standard.